I wanted to discuss two problems that came up on the 9.1 Big Ideas. So overall, your scores look really good. There were just two problems out of the three different assignments that came up as red flags. And when I looked at them, I think that it was just the way that you read the problem, because a lot of you ended up solving the problem, but they didn't ask you to solve it or simplify it. They asked you to find out what the rationalizing factor was. So a lot of you figured that out, but then you continued on and moved forward and simplified it. So for this one, it's a cube root. So right now we have two x's, but we need one more. So we have to add the cube root of x, and you do that on top and bottom. Because remember, when you multiply, you have to multiply it by something equivalent to 1. So the answer is this right here. Some of you went a step further in your final answer you gave as 2 cube root of x over x. If I asked you to simplify a problem, then you definitely would have been correct. But Big Ideas just wanted the rationalizing factor, and that's that. So for the one for number 43, to rationalize this, you would multiply it by the cube root of 5 plus 8, and you would have to make that into a fraction that's equivalent to 1. So Big Ideas was looking for this. Like I said, some of you, if it said simplify, then you would, on the top, you'd get the cube root of 10, because you'd have to distribute the the square root of 10, plus 8 root 2 all over. And then what do we have? We have the cube root of 25. We can do that right now. And then plus 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5, and then minus 64. These two cancel, and you end up with 5 here. So on the bottom, let's rewrite it. 5 minus 64 gives you negative, what do we have, 59? And then on top you have root 10 plus 8 root 2. That would be if it asked you to simplify it. But Big Ideas didn't ask for you to simplify it. They just wanted the rationalizing factor, which is what are you multiplying it by in order to simplify it. I hope this video helps.